Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for any finger food recipe or any party appetizer or quick egg recipe, here is the dish. I have made egg masala and very easy and very quick recipe. Just boil some egg and get some masala ready on the side, and boom, this is it. So very flavorful and very easy to make. So let's see what are the ingredients. For this quick and easy egg recipe, we need all these ingredients. Let's see. Eggs, which I'm going to boil them in water. These are dry spices. I have salt, about half tablespoon. Kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves, which is 1/4 tablespoon. This is chaat masala, bhaji masala. This is half tablespoon and this is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Half tablespoon of garam masala, and we need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of butter, some coriander, half tomato, and 1 chopped onion, along with some oil. So first step is let's get the eggs ready. Let's boil the eggs for about 7 to 8 minutes. Heat up a pan and get about 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright, on a medium-high flame, let the oil heat and add butter. Let's add ginger garlic paste. Once the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes, I have added onion and tomato. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. In about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to simply add all these spices. And just add a good mix. Basically, we are making our masala ready. Let it cook and let the oil ooze out. While it's cooking, I'm going to add some coriander, and I'm going to save some for garnishing. Alright, so my masala is ready, and I've just peeled the boiled eggs. So my boiled eggs are ready. So here you can either add eggs, the whole eggs, just like this, or you can cut it in half and add it in the masala. Right now I'm just gonna add it like this, and after it's covered with the masala, I'm gonna cut it. So give that a good mix. Alright, I have served it in a plate, and I have some masala left over here. So let's cut them in half and top it up with the masala and garnish it with coriander. Now just top this up with some masala. If there are kids, just keep it as is. Just like so. And here you go. Look how pretty that looks already. Gonna garnish it with some coriander. You can sprinkle some chaat masala if you would like. Nice, healthy, colorful appetizer or a snack. And here you go. My nice and tasty, healthy egg masala is ready. It's a great party appetizer or a quick snack or a meal recipe. So I hope you like this recipe, and gonna try it at home. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.